Welcome to today's video from North Carolina. Me, Lincoln over here, and his friend Easton, who's really tall, but 13 years old. Tonight we're doing something really fun. We are going to a place called Cowfish, Cheeseburger Sushi, Burgushi they call it. We're also going to see our friends from the Holderness Family, and we're gonna be filming a really cool music video that we're gonna be a part of on their channel. And I think we might put Penn on the spot. He's a musician, he can make a song within 5 minutes. You just give him a topic and a beat and a melody, and he can just write a song. So we're gonna try to think of something fun and just surprise him. He has no idea. Raleigh, North Carolina, let's go get some food and see our friends. Gotcha. Oh, I was hoping you wouldn't catch me. Is you tired? Yeah. All that basketball drains you?
Yeah.
In the heat? Check out this cool thing in the backyard. Whoa, Ninja Warrior. Oh, look at that. Oh, here comes the steering wheel. Oh, the floor is lava. Oh, it really is American Ninja Warrior. Oh, go Lincoln.
It's not bad, actually. Holy cow.
Oh, the steering wheel gotcha. Houston, you're just a little too tall, buddy. I'm sorry. You don't get to try it. We've made it to their house, and it's really beautiful. And they told us we could wear our shoes walking around. It feels super wrong. So they have been filming a video for the last 2 days, a music video. They're crazy good at just coming up with these ideas for music videos and throwing in other words that are really relatable and funny.
Because it's too hot in her. I say it's too hot in her. I'ma change the temperature. We wrote it yesterday, and this is about assembling stuff at certain stores where the instructions are hard.
Part of the song, I'm actually gonna be in it. Oh my gosh! Yeah. So this is the set. Oh no, light!
You're fine. Ow. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Oh, we dropped the light. Look at that. The legs just
you didn't drop the light. You're fine. We have a bunch of these.
Whoa, there's a huge black spot right here.
Don't look directly into the sun, Lincoln.
We did like the part where I'm singing the lyrics where we can slide this thing back and forth.
That is fancy. This is next level.
So it looks nice, like that. A little bit of J.J. Abrams going on. So we need like a friend to come in and ask me for help, and me to say, no, I've got this, and that friend is you.
Are you saying no, you've got this because you know how terrible I am at putting things together, or because your own pride is like, I can do this, or I should have helped, I should have had you help?
I just assumed, I've seen your garage, it's like nothing but drills and jaws of life. I feel like you're pretty handy.
So I'm super good at taking things apart, but I am terrible at putting things together. When you go watch the music video, leave a comment about me not being good at putting things together. This is how you know that you make YouTube or Facebook videos for a living. Green screen in your dining room. Front door, you walk in, green screen with tape on the ground. All right, check out my tools. This is my big cameo, and I got some really appropriate tools. Am I gonna kind of like come into the shot in a way?
You come up into the shot.
I feel so close. You got a wide lens
I
though.
use a super wide lens, like I see everything. Okay, ready? And action.
That was terrible.
Hey Dan! Oh wow!
I'll help you.
Oh for upstairs? Oh no, I'm good. I'm good.
Really?
No, yeah, no, we're good. Like no, you're fine. You're fine.
Let's do it one more time.
One more time. Okay, one for safety.
On the,
One for safety.
One for safety.
Action.
Hey
Dan! Oh, okay. No, I'm good.
Really?
I'm good. No, I'm good. I'm sorry. You're in the picture! Kate stays in the picture!
We did it. I hope there's something usable there. We're gonna watch the video and I'm gonna like be cut out of it. Cause I'm so Hey hon.
Hi, how's camp going?
They're doing good. Lincoln scored like 5 points today or something. All he does is passes it to Easton, and he's like so tall and he just makes it every time. Did you get that doorbell from my parents?
Yeah, I got it in the mail today.
Yes.
Your grandma's a good helper too, so the two of us can definitely get it done because it looks pretty easy.
We got these awesome doorbells by Eufy. They're great. They decided to sponsor this video and like send us free doorbells. It's something I feel like everybody should have instead of like one of these doorbells that is just a regular one that just dings, and if you're not at home, you have no idea. It's so nice to have the video camera option on there, and that's what this one does. It shoots it in really high quality. How many doorbells have you installed in your life?
Grand total of 0.
0. She's gonna install the doorbell, and we're gonna go over to the place that has the craziest sushi that you've ever seen. As our transition B-roll, we're gonna put some shots of her putting in the doorbell, hopefully successfully.
I'm gonna do awesome. Have fun at dinner. Bye.
Okay, bye.
It is such a pretty day out today, but it is so stinking hot. It's probably 95 degrees, so we need to get this doorbell in. 12 steps. Get ready to be impressed, Dan. We have some good teamwork going on. That looks good.
We need to do this QR code. What color is the doorbell ring? Ooh. Oh, we can choose? Yeah.
Okay, so we just installed the doorbell and we're feeling pretty proud of ourselves, right, Grandma?
Absolutely. It was easy.
It was easy, but we're pretty great too, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
For the next few days, Yuffie will be doing a 20% off discount and also be giving away 5 security systems to 5 of you. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Thanks, Yuffie, for sponsoring this video. This is it. We have made it to Cowfish. This place is incredibly unique if you like sushi and if you like cheeseburgers and free fortune cookies. I already grabbed 3. It's not gonna be the last time I visit that table. How's it going, buddy?
Hi.
I got you a present.
Oh, look what I already got.
Oh yeah, you already got one? We are so alike, it's crazy. It's scary. I have 3 of them. How many did you get?
I only got one.
Oh.
Bounce on the dance floor.
What do you like about this place?
Well, the birthday songs are great.
The birthday song?
Yes, they do a birthday.
So, does it need to be somebody's birthday today?
Should be somebody's birthday. Whose birthday's next? When is your birthday?
Happy birthday, Lincoln!
January.
Easton, you want to have a birthday? You're 13, but you look like you're 20. Sure. This is the reason that we came. The burgushi. It's sushi. I don't like sushi. I don't like fish. Raw fish, that's not my thing. But I do like cheeseburgers. The all-American bacon double cheeseburgushi. Wait till you see this thing. I'm totally ordering it. Have you guys ever tried sushi before? No. Lincoln, have you tried
I haven't tried sushi. I've tried like some fish.
fish? You've tried fish, but never sushi? Okay, this is gonna be your first sushi ever. It's the most American sushi that's ever been invented. This is the perfect fortune, just what I wanted, considering we are building a house right now. Family is always is first. Yep. It's always fun to put people on the spot. There's people in this world that have incredible talents. Here is your challenge. You need to write a song about the burgushi, about Cowfish or burgushi, while we're here, to the lyrics, to the sound of Taylor Swift's new Me song.
Me?
How does that feel? Do you accept the challenge?
That's fine, yeah.
Give her 5 minutes.
He's in full go mode right now. He is so focused.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah,
It's
done.
7. I'll give it 7:34.
I had to learn the song.
You had never heard the song before, so that was like 3 minutes.
How would you rate out of 10? Just in your mind.
The song is the Taylor Swift song is a great song. I'm like turning into a little bit of a Taylor Swift fan. I don't know if you've like caught on to this, but
Beyonce's gonna feel very betrayed.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Like it's a little bit of a commercial for burgushi, so it's maybe a bit salesy, but
This video is not sponsored by, what is this place called? Cowfish.
have you never had sushi?
Look at this.
How do you know you don't like sushi if you've never
Tried a
tried
little bit of it. It's
Okay.
kind of creepy to me. Yeah. I don't know the raw fish. I don't know.
It might make you throw up, and if that's the case, it's good content.
You can say what's inside.
Is it good content though? I'm not sure about that. Welcome to the Cheeseburger Sushi, the mighty burgushi. Has a pickle on top. It's like a cheeseburger. A little tiny cheeseburger. All right, Lincoln, you're up first. Put the whole thing in your mouth and eat it.
All right.
I actually didn't taste the bacon.
He's a man of many words. The next one. This one is like Texas barbecue pork. Oh, look at that kid. He eats the whole thing. This one's better though. This cheeseburger was better? Oh. It's birthday time for Easton. the best birthday gong you've ever had?
I can only do one gong, but that was like 5.
I know, that was, you got extra gong.
What? That was amazing.
That was the best birthday song of all time.
That cake looks pretty legit too.
He doesn't even want it.
Every one of the kids got a shake, except for the 2 adults. No shakes. But also look at those muscles. I mean, you guys are in great shape. So
We just eat our...
I'm not in great shape, and I eat shakes. So this is apparently the Cowfish. This video is going to be monetized by Taylor Swift. You're welcome, by the way.
I promise that the sushi has burger meat. I know that you don't like this, Daniel. I know that if you ate it, you blow chunks. Cause you're the kind of guy who likes it cooked. And there's a lot of cool chicks out there. And then you called me up here on the phone. Said that you were coming to my home. I know just where we can go. Cause one of these rolls is just like the other. There's no tuna in it, you'll discover. It's gonna make you a sushi lover. I promise that the sushi has burger meat. Anyway, I may have drooled a little there at the end.
That was so good.
Right.
So good. We need an applause. I can't clap. That was a fun day. Amazing song. Thank you, Leslie, for putting in the doorbell. Check the link in the description. Thank you again to Eufy for sponsoring this video. If you want an awesome doorbell, you can click on the link in the description. They have a promotion going on right now. So
High five.
thank you.
See you.
You're the best.
Good to see you.
We do not have this where we live. Look at this tree. It's got to be like 150 feet tall. Whoa. Okay, there it is. There it is. Look at that. Whoa. That's like 5 inches. Wow.